Welcome back to my channel. Asterisk, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette is one of those cars that grabs your attention long before the engine even starts. As you walk around it, every angle feels intentional and dramatic. From the front, the low nose, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted hood lines create an aggressive supercar-level presence. Moving to the sides, the wide stance, deep air intakes, and flowing aerodynamic channels give the Corvette a sense of motion, even when it's parked. The rear view is just as striking, with quad exhaust tips, a bold diffuser, and Chevrolet's signature squared tail lamps that instantly reminds you this is an American performance icon. Stepping closer to the exterior, you'll notice how the 2026 model refines the already exotic mid-engine silhouette introduced in earlier generations. The proportions are tighter, the body lines are cleaner, and the lightweight materials feel more premium. Chevrolet has also improved the aerodynamics, so everything from the front splitter to the rear spoiler isn't just for show, truly helps keep the car stable at high speeds. Once you open the door, the cabin immediately feels like a fighter jet cockpit. The driver-focused layout wraps around you, with a fully digital instrument cluster that can switch between performance and comfort displays. The steering wheel is flat-topped and flat-bottomed for enhanced visibility of the road and gauges. The materials are upgraded for 2026. More leather, more Alcantara, and more customizable stitching. Even the passenger gets an elevated experience with a dedicated climate control strip and sculpted seating. On the technology side, the 2026 Corvette comes with an upgraded infotainment system featuring a brighter faster touchscreen and seamless wireless projection. You get a premium Bose sound system, real-time performance monitoring, and track-focused data logging for drivers who want to push the limits. Safety features are also smarter, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a new generation of forward collision mitigation that works even during spirited driving. But the moment you start the engine is where the real excitement begins. The 2026 Corvette continues with its legendary V8 pedigree, delivering explosive acceleration through a refined dual-clutch transmission. Gear changes happen in milliseconds, making highway pulls and track sprints incredibly satisfying. With improved cooling systems and updated software mapping, the throttle response is sharper, the power band is smoother, and the overall performance feels even more balanced than before. Whether you're cruising at low speeds or hammering down a straightaway, the Corvette remains stable, predictable, and thrilling. Handling is another highlight. Thanks to a revised magnetic ride control system, the Corvette adapts instantly to every bump, curve, and driving style. In comfort mode, it's surprisingly smooth and daily-friendly. Switch to track mode, and the suspension stiffens. The steering becomes more precise, and the car sticks to the road like it's reading your mind. The mid-engine architecture keeps the center of gravity low, improving cornering grip and giving you a genuine supercar feel without the supercar price tag. As you circle back to the car's exterior, the uniqueness of the 2026 model becomes even more clear. It's not just a performance machine, it's a design statement. The color options are bolder, the wheel designs are more aggressive, and the carbon fiber packages allow buyers to personalize their Corvette to match their personality. It's the kind of car that stands out in any setting, whether it's rolling through a city street or dominating a racetrack. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette continues the evolution of an American legend. It combines raw power with modern refinement, striking looks with everyday usability, and cutting-edge technology with heart-pounding performance. It's a car built for enthusiasts, thrill seekers, and anyone who wants an unforgettable driving experience. If you're looking for a sports car that delivers excitement from every angle, the 2026 Corvette is one you'll want to experience for yourself.